Hey time travelers, for the next few R-Vlog videos, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different because it's the holidays and people are always asking me for my freaking recipes. So I've got a few recipes coming out, and so this time around on the Thanksgiving holiday, I made a video for my mashed cauliflower recipe, and instead of including it in this video, I'm making it a separate video. So with all of that out of the way, let's go back to past me for the rest of the video. This is my look of disapproval. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Maybe it'll help you cut your carbs in your life and or be more vegan, whatever you're into for the cauliflower stuff.
Why is potatoes less vegan than not potatoes? What?
Man, you just blew a hole in my argument. That's a good point. Well, it's another vegan option.
True.
So you have something that's different.
And also, I can't believe it's not butter in it, so it's extra vegan.
Okay. I'm sitting here dressed like this because I'm about to do my workout. It's been a really busy week between all the Thanksgiving cooking and also filming future sci-fi videos that we were working on, right?
Yes.
That's one of the gems on this channel. They come out every few months or so, and they take tons of writing and filming and editing, so make sure you're subscribed for those bonus videos.
It's a personal reward for you.
Yes. And I thought I would let future me do the tech thing because I haven't filmed it yet. And the reason, future me is always picking on past me and talking to him while he's trying to do the handoff in the video. So, at least the last two videos that happened. So I try to avoid that this time. So here's future me with a light thingy that you strap on your head that's going to help me with riding my bike and also working on the car. Thank you, past me. I'm future me, remember? I said thank you, past me. It was your idea to change it up and have future me do the tech thing instead of past me do the tech thing. Because of all the awkward conversations. Dang it, I'm just gonna get into the tech thing. Okay, whatever.
What?
Okay, time travelers, I bring you the weekly tech thing because it might be entertaining to see whatever I'm messing with that week, or maybe you see something that you think you need. This week's tech thing is a J-Lean rechargeable LED headlamp. I got this for riding my bike at night and also for the future. When I get my Nova back, but it's not here now, so I could see better when I'm working underneath the car. I said that.
I mean, future you is you, so yeah.
Okay, that's enough of that. I'm the video person now. So sometimes, and that's about once a week or so, I'm riding my bike and people wait in their car until I get really close for them to pull out or for to drive or whatever. So other me and I did this really funny reenactment to demonstrate the craziness, and it shows you why I need this light. The following scene is a reenactment. Do not attempt. Hey, other me. What? Let's do a reenactment. Why are you still wearing the balaclava? Balaclava. 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 But you can take yours off because I want you to do a reenactment. How so? You pretend to be a car cutting me off while I'm riding the bike. Hey, let's do the turn signal one from last week. Yeah, okay, perfect. Let's do that one. Got all these freaking lights turned on before I ever go anywhere, so it's not like people can't see me. Alright, I'm the car person. I'm just riding my bike along. What's that I see about 500 feet in front of me? Someone got in their car. Oh, look, they turned on their car, and I'm still 300 feet away. Oh, I'm 200 feet away, and their turn signal is on. Are you gonna, like, put some sort of blinking light around some... or something? Yeah, that's fine, whatever. Okay, cool. I'll crop something in. Still sitting here, not moving. Now I'm 100 feet away, and there's no change in their status at all. Oh, look in my mirror, there's a bunch of lights on a bike coming towards me. And I'm still riding my bike, and I'm up next to them. Let's pull out now. And here they come. Oh! True story. Right. And that was with a parked car. There's this time a couple weeks ago at a four-way stop where there was a person sitting and just sitting there. And like this time, it's 500 feet away, and they wait until we, whatever we are, comes up, we stop, and then we start going across the four-way stop because they're not going, and now they want to go when he's in the middle of the freaking intersection. Yeah, it's pretty upsetting. That's why I got this light. You know, it's like strapping on my head and go like this, and it'll flash at people that I'm getting close to. Because maybe you do that at people, and then they will make thumbnail face at you. Like that lady last week when she almost hit you, and you went, "Oh, fuck!" And you looked back, and she was like, thumbnail face. Okay. So my idea is that the side of the light thing has a motion sensor, and I can go like this to flash it on and off to alert people that I'm not just a regular approaching ball of light, that they might want to pay attention to what's going on. And actually, the other night, I needed to take a short trip on my bike, and I used the light, and I was taking a sidewalk. Because of the particular road I was on, it was better to take the sidewalk. Oh, for the viewers that don't know, Columbus, Ohio, they make people ride in the streets with their bikes. Whatever. But so I'm taking a sidewalk and there's a guy walking. And my bike's really noisy because of the basket in the back is going clankety, 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 clank. And he's not moving out of the way. So I just went like this. And the guy was like, "Oh, and he gets out of my way. And I'm like, "Thanks, bro." So thumbs up for this light. So this headband thing has two different lights to choose from and two different brightnesses on each. But its brighter setting is kind of blinding, so I wouldn't use it at that setting unless I'm in a fog or a setting where no one else is around. Like, check it out. Just pointing at the pitch black darkness of my alley. So I give this tech things a build quality 10 out of 10. It's got a really sturdy strap. It's easy to tighten. Stays where you put it. And the plastic and the housing and everything seems like it's all sturdy and like it's going to resist water getting into it. And it's easy to push the buttons with one hand when I'm riding my bike. Accessories and features, along with the motion sensing or just having it on or off, it also has strobe settings for each of the two different lights, which would be easy to turn on while riding because of the second button. Light quality, 10 out of 10 because it really, really fills out the area. Final score, 10 out of 10. I'm definitely going to be using this light for a lot of different things. Now back to past me for the rest of the video. Okay, future me, but I'm not going to have a conversation with you in the middle of this video. I'm not doing this nonsense. It's all you, man. Whatever, shut up. And now on to enjoy this random thing. This random thing is a random thing I found on Reddit, on r/English, with this Roblox character, and they're saying a bunch of different, symptoms of whatever, like
depression.
Depression.
It gives you anxiety
and anxiety and heartbreak, which is actually pronounced heartbreak. Do you suffer from such symptoms as fairy pee?
Or France.
France. I've come down with a case of France.
I am so broken. Sad face, squirt gun emoji, whatever that one is.
And roses.
Oh.
It's so hilarious. And now on to dad joke time. Warning, this one's a little dark. This comes from my dad, and I had to show it because he sent me a rage face thingy. For the first time in my life, I ever got a rage face thingy from him. And he says, a man comes home and finds his wife lying on the floor, dead, and hurriedly calls 911. He tells the operator, my wife is dead on the floor, and asks what should I do. The operator says, you should better check and be sure. Then there is a few moments of silence, and the operator hears a gunshot. The man comes back, and the phone says, I'm sure.
Oh.
All right, Dad. That last dad joke you sent me?
Okay.
With a man divorcing his wife because she forgot to buy coffee grounds because there was no grounds for divorce. You're getting really dark here, guy.
It's inappropriate.
But I did respond to my dad's thing and said, OMG, like a sir. Now, Dad, a little less darkness, a little more rage faces. I love rage faces because it's like 20 years ago? Yeah, 20 years ago, this is like a really cool thing, and it was how you responded to people with emotions before GIFs were a thing.
Not quite that long ago. It was like 15.
Okay, like 15. Like, True Story guy, and Ominous guy, and Forever Alone guy, and I'm Pissed Off guy, and I'm hands off not touching that guy, and like, what guy, and the why you know going guy, and the super happy tears face guy, and the Miso Gusta, and then Mother of God face, and super rage face, and like a sir / pipe troll, in whatever that is guy. They're all so hilarious. And the super lol face.
Yeah.
And the no emotion face. And the Obama not bad face. I love these. And you don't say. And then like Jackie Chan's, what? I love these things. There used to be an editor online where you can make your own rage faces, but it uses Flash, and Flash is dead and doesn't work anymore, so I need them to revive it and make it work in HTML5 or whatever. So I love making these. Anyways, that's it for the video, and I don't know how to finish it. Oh, another recipe coming out next week, and this one's for pumpkin cheesecake, because I make that every holidays.
Every holidays.
See, I just made it awkward. So let's be more awkward, and if you want to see my Thanksgiving turkey recipe, it's up here. And if you want to see my ham recipe, I'm going to put it down there, and you could subscribe to the channel or check out my music soundtrack channel for... It's here. What am I pointing at? All right, bye. Time travelers.
Skill issue.